As you can see, if you look behind me, I've kind of given up on weeds. I've realized my yard is too big for me just to take out all the weeds. My grandiose plans is to have my whole yard be a nice, glorious garden, but reality has set in. And for the past few years, I've been using garden boxes. And the reason for that is simply because I can actually contain what's in a garden box. I can choose everything I want to grow, and if there are weeds that show up, they are super easy to contain, to remove. One of the advantages of garden boxes is simply that when you put your topsoil in, or whatever you're going to use to grow plants, it's not going to be compact like the ground most often is. These garden boxes were sent to me so I could make this video. I think my favorite part about them is I really like the size and shape. I think if you're starting out, you've never used a garden box before, these are fantastic. They're super easy to set up. I think I set both of these up in about an hour, so about 30 minutes for each one. I've set up plenty of garden boxes. You can probably see behind me, I've got a couple others. These were, I think, the easiest ones I've set up, and it's still kind of work putting all of the screws in, but really easy to set up. What I like about this size is I set this up inside. I didn't need a lot of room to do it. I didn't have to move around. I didn't have to bend over a lot. I could just sit in the middle, put everything together, and you kind of saw me as I walked these over, but these are really easy to pick up and move. So you set these up inside, and then you just bring them outside and put them wherever you want. You don't have to set them up outside and lose screws or set them up in the heat. But if you look at the size and shape of these, I think honestly, I've set up enough garden boxes to know that they are all more or less very similar. So you go with the design and the shape that you like, or the color you like. And these have a lot of variety for shape, size, color. And really, if you haven't used garden boxes before and you're just kind of thinking about it and you want something simple, not overly big, but something manageable where you don't have to put a lot of stuff inside, this is a fantastic size. And obviously I haven't put anything in them yet, but I'm getting ready to do that. One of the things I actually really like with garden boxes is we put our compost in, we put some of our wood chips, some of our logs in. The logs and wood chips, they help kind of retain water, but it's a good way to keep the stuff in my yard in my yard. I can fill these up and I don't have to go to the dump or waste yard material or anything like that. So hopefully this video helped. I'm gonna go ahead and set these up.